Try to see, man. Which one good?
Don't throw no more bread in my basket.
Huh?
I'm being nice about it. Don't throw no more bread in my basket.
Who?
Both of y'all.
I ain't throwing no bread. I never threw no bread. I never threw nothing in the bread. If you talking, I don't even got nothing in my hand. I think you tripping. Ma'am, calm down, ma'am. Ma'am, calm down, ma'am. We ain't do nothing, ma'am. Okay? We just said we ain't do nothing, okay, man? Calm down, ma'am. We never did nothing.